In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order gaming card in Target. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get your gaming gift card into your cart and ready to purchase. First, open your browser and go to the Target website. Once you land on the homepage, give the page a second to load so the top navigation is fully visible. You'll see several options along the top. We're going to start there. Look for the categories option in the main navigation and click it. This opens a list of departments that make it easy to find what you need without searching. From here, scroll or scan the list until you spot gift cards. Select gift cards to move into the dedicated section where Target keeps all its physical and digital card options. Inside the gift cards section, choose gaming gift cards. This is where you'll find cards for popular platforms and services. Take a moment to browse the selection. If you have a specific platform in mind or want to narrow your choices, use the filter tools on the page. You can filter by brand, price range, and often by delivery type. Filtering helps you quickly zero in on exactly what you want without scrolling through everything. Once you see the gaming card you're interested in, click the product to open its details page. Here, carefully review the description to confirm it's the right platform and that the delivery method fits your needs. Many gaming gift cards are email delivery, which means you'll receive a digital code instead of a physical card. Also check for any region or platform restrictions and look over the terms and any notes about returns or refunds, since many digital cards are non-returnable. Next, select the value or denomination that works for you. Common amounts might be listed separately, so choose the one that matches your budget or the amount you plan to gift. After that, select the quantity. If you're buying for multiple people or stacking values, adjust the quantity accordingly. When your value and quantity are set, click Add to Cart. A confirmation should appear showing the item in your cart. From there, continue to check out. You'll be guided through the usual Target checkout flow to review your order and finalize the purchase. If it's an email delivery card, watch for the confirmation and the digital code to arrive in your inbox shortly after the order processes. That's it. Simple, quick, and reliable. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new gaming card.